Hi, my name's Claire and I'm just recording this short video to tell you a little bit more about the English and Maths Digital Pedagogies course that you might want to take part in or that you might want to tell other people about. This is a course which aims to start with what we know to be effective teaching, learning and assessment practices in English and Maths, and then move into some of the digital approaches that we can use to facilitate those online and in blended and even hybrid learning courses. The course is collaborative insofar as you'll be working with other teachers who have been trying things out and sharing what has worked and what hasn't. But it also draws on many months and indeed years of using these approaches ourselves and finding out what makes the most difference to learners. For example, when it comes to assessment for learning or engaging learners or helping learners to see how what they're doing links to their lives. Here are some of the objectives which we cover, but it's important to note that we find out from you at the start of the course what it is that matters to you, and because it's a blended learning course and that you'll not only see us twice but also do some self-led work between the session and afterwards, it's not only the things I'm about to explain to you now that will be covered, it will also be your priorities. So first of all, we'll be reflecting on the way digital technology can enrich good practice in maths and English teaching, as well as promote innovative delivery models. We'll share examples of good practice in the use of e-learning tools and approaches. And here we'll take the approach that although there's lots and lots of things out there that you might use in your practice, it's sometimes better to go deep into a single tool or platform in order to explore all that it has to offer, and that provides you with some comfort that you don't have to learn lots of different things. But also, as you become more confident, you'll see that what you use in one tool can very easily be transferred into another. And hopefully your learners will also not feel too overwhelmed by so many things coming at them. We'll evaluate a range of tutor-devised digital resources that have been created for use in classroom teaching and in blended and online learning. So not only are we talking about the creation, but also the curation of resources, and that's a really important fact that we wish to explore. There's loads and loads out there. We just need to know where to find it, how to save it, how to make best use of it. And building on that, we'll explore some common, popular, useful online resource banks, blogs and YouTube channels. Throughout the session, we'll be sharing things that have excited us, and we think that learners could also make. What a wonderful way to think about digital pedagogies. Not only things that you can make, but also resources that learners can create and contribute to, which is highly engaging and allows them to be doing things outside the classroom or the online learning space, which is shaped by their interests, and it's a bit more exciting. This is an example on the screen now of ThingLink. It's a layering tool and it's got loads of potential. Here we can see an example of a digital resource, in this case a mind map, or an interactive mind map in fact, developed by learners, which not only is a wonderful way to revise, in this case, stylistic devices for a GCSE or a functional skills English course, but also to see that the work they do could be shared with others and inspire other learners to develop their skills. So come on the course. We really look forward to meeting you. If you've got any questions, don't forget to ask your regional specialist lead, and you can find out who they are on the Education and Training Foundation website. We look forward to meeting you soon.